Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Street Fighter 6 on a controller. We will start by understanding the fundamental layout. Your controller features 6 main attack buttons: light, medium, and heavy for both punches and kicks. Use your D-pad or analog stick for all movement, including walking, dashing, and jumping. Remember to hold back on your D-pad to block incoming attacks effectively. Mastering these basics is your first step to becoming a formidable fighter. Next, let's dive into special moves and the crucial drive system. Special moves are performed by combining specific directional inputs with an attack button. The drive impact allows you to absorb one hit and deliver a powerful counter. Drive parry negates damage and refills your drive gauge, while a drive rush provides a quick offensive option after a parry or certain normal attacks. These mechanics are essential for both offense and defense. Now, let's explore some advanced techniques to elevate your gameplay. Learning to link normal attacks into special moves is key for creating devastating combos. Practice canceling normal attacks into drive impact or drive rush to maintain pressure and extend your offensive sequences. Mastering anti-air attacks using upward-hitting special moves is vital for controlling the air. Understanding frame data will also help you optimize your attack timing and defensive strategies. Finally, consistent practice is paramount for improvement. Dedicate time in training mode to refine your inputs and experiment with various characters and their movesets. Watching replays of your matches is incredibly valuable for identifying mistakes and understanding areas where you can improve. Don't be afraid to challenge friends or online opponents to apply your newly acquired skills in real match scenarios. Keep practicing, and you will see significant progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.